south central Illinois, southern Jefferson County in south central Illinois, northern Franklin County in south central Illinois, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tamaroa, 7 miles northeast of Duquoin, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benton, Duquoin, Grand Lake area, Cesar, Valier, West City, Tamaroa, Ina, North City, Bonnie, Belle Rive, Ewing, and Nazan. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 72 and 87. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin and Perry,